Today we're talking about Wordkraft.ai. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to Upzone's YouTube channel, the content generator that provides 64 powerful tools and 78 templates to generate SEO content and unique images. Take advantage of smart editing tools so your content is plagiarism-free, grammatically correct, and well-written. Wordkraft.ai is the ultimate AI content generator, and it's going to change the way you work forever. First off, you get more tools in a Home Depot, so you can create whatever you need in seconds. From blog content and SEO optimization to social media and email marketing, there are 64 tools in this one lifetime deal. So I guess you could say, Wordkraft.ai gives you a big whopping advantage. Take a look at how fast you can write an article. Just add the title, plug in your keywords, choose your language, and generate article subheads. Wordkraft.ai can pump out 1,000-word articles optimized for search engines faster. From there, you can use the AI to edit, expand, or rewrite anything. Once this article is ready to go live, just copy and paste the text or HTML, creating all kinds of content, written and visual. Wordkraft.ai is packed with templates for sales letters, cold emails, and even business plans. Just like writing an article, all you need to do is pop in some basic info and hit generate. Can it really be this easy? Check out Wordkraft.ai, a AI-powered image generator. It only takes a few words to create something so amazing, something so monumental, something like this corgi. And the images you create are completely royalty-free and ready to use whenever you need them. On-demand images paired with instant SEO-friendly content. That's just Wordkraft.ai doing its thing. Create content for social media, emails, and blogs, and experiment with different formats or styles as you go. With this powerful toolkit, you will be able to develop a solid content strategy that's super efficient and actually within your budget. It's easy to generate long-form content that ranks high and targets your ideal reader. The AI writing tool can instantly create original, SEO-friendly articles of up to 2,000 words on any topic. You can edit, expand, and rewrite any section, and once you're ready to share it, just copy and paste the text or preloaded HTML. Wordkraft.ai also lets you paraphrase content, so it's plagiarism-free and not chock-full of redundant wording. Thanks to the built-in grammar checker, you can rest easy knowing your content is well-written and error-free. You will even be able to customize the editing features to make sure your content is rewritten in your unique brand voice. Best of all, you can access all these essential features while using the article writer, social media caption writer, and email writer. Instead of shelling out for a graphic designer or a Photoshop subscription, you can generate original images with AI. Simply enter a few details about the image you want, like the subject, style, and size, and Wordkraft.ai will create it on the spot. These images are completely royalty-free and ready to use wherever you need them. Generate SEO-friendly content and unique images with 64+ AI tools and 78+ writing templates. Wordkraft.ai Content Writer is a revolutionary tool powered by the most advanced artificial intelligence technology to generate well-written, keyword-optimized content and image for your blog, website, or marketing needs. It generates high-quality content for your website or blog in a fast and effortless manner. Wordkraft.ai gives you access to tons of powerful AI tools and content templates to generate professional content in a snap. Churn out winning content. So, click on the link below to Wordkraft.ai for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.